Oh my goodness, it's slippery. I'm on an adventure to hopefully get the sewing machine for Nanny. First things first, getting the hand sanitizer like a responsible person in 2021. Oh, it smells bad. Always exciting to go out into public. I'm home all the time. I hope it's here. I hope it's here. It's here! What an exciting day this is. It's quite heavy. Oh my goodness. In the car. It's a little bit dirty. Probably been sitting in storage for 50 years.
Let's send that to Nanny.
Yeah, let's send all of this to Nanny. Maybe you will be in one of Nanny's videos.
Maybe.
Would you be really excited about that? Oh, my ear balls. Are you so excited to send it to Nanny and see what she does with it?
Yeah.
Do you think she's gonna make something amazing with it?
Yeah, like a paper dress.
Like a paper dress? Nobody can make a paper dress.
Nanny can.
It's true, Nanny can. She's so talented.
And see, it was very great to make stuff.
Did she?
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa. She even made a dress out of wood.
Whoa.
This would not have been possible were it not for my Swede. Well done, Swede. There's a bit of a rainbow. Yay! That was anticlimactic. Oh well.
I can close the trunk.
Thank you, because I can't. Ooh. Hey, borrowed these. These are like the creepiest scissors I've ever seen. Oh my goodness, Nanny! Ow, my finger. Oh, jag skulle fråga. Går den bra att vi kommer? Okej. Bättre att fråga för jag tar den stora. Jag vet inte hur mycket det behöver. Mycket. Det är jättetung. Det är en syrmaskin. Ja. I am sweating. It took a minute and it was 95 bucks. Wow. I sure hope it works. This is my face after realizing that was 8 bucks worth of bubble wrap I put in there. Ah, I hate spending money.
Oh, but technically it was Nanny's money we spent all that.
Morton, guess how much it cost?
How much did it cost?
No, just guess.
Yes. Oh, well, Now I'm not sure if see, sometimes people say guess because it's ridiculous, because, you know, it's more than you'd expect. Some say guess because it's less than you'd expect. I don't know, and I have no reference point. I haven't shipped anything this big in a long time. Okay, I'm just gonna start with 500 kroner.
More.
1,000?
Less. Well,
Less.
yeah.
750.
Wait, now I'm like, it was like 95.
Oh, so 950.
Yeah.
Because
I think it was
that's not quite.
full 945.
Okay.
Wow.
The unboxing.
Tape.
The children drew on the box. How nice.
Shove the whole thing in.
Bubble wrap. Wow, it's a bag. Oh, it's so heavy. It still has the keys. How cool is that?
These clasps don't want to close. Oh, I guess it's probably good if this actually is in the box.
We have a pedal. What? Where did this come from? There's a pin here. Eeh! I'm scared. No, not like this. Oh my god! This is for sure one of the heaviest sewing machines I own. And I got a love letter. Aww, aww, aww. We have also Swedish sand, a burned match, and a lot of pins. And what seems to be the rest of a flower. That's a lot of sand. What happened to this machine? A spring. There's a lot of sand. It's in very good condition. The dating. Here we have the serial number. Let's see how old this puppy is before we take him apart. Oh, like there's a lot of sand inside the machine. Oh my god. Serial. This model was produced from 1934 up to 1954. It looks like a 1934 model. It's so heavy. I didn't find any databases for the serial numbers. If you know anything, let me know in the comments because I'm very curious how long does this thing exist. I wrote Husqvarna and I asked him, so I collect vintage sewing machines and I bought one of yours. Could you please tell me where I can find this information? And hopefully they will answer me. I really hope they will answer me. I cannot live without this information. It's a matter of life and death.
This is what we have so far. I removed all of the shells from this side. I was hopefully able to clean all of the mold from this side and remove almost all the wallpaper from this side. But at least I was able to get rid of this eyesore of a very cultural insensitive poster that was glued to our wall for a very long time. And it is a spread about cobras. And I think it's from the 70s, by the way. I want to find that out. But I received 10 liters of cleaning material today, so that's fun.
Go, baby, go. The cleaning. It's looking very nice from the inside. There is so much sand in it. It's making a really weird noise. I'll turn this gently. It's not even making the full turn of the wheel. It's getting stuck here. So let's do the part. It's a lot of sand. It's very crunchy. This is the bobbin. Thank God I have a lot of those. Yeah. Can't put too much oil here, otherwise all the thread will be oiled forever. The machine is well oiled. The problem is the motor. He's laying on top of my hair. I cannot move. Oh, what's going on over there? What is going on over there?
It was brushed.
Chu is also brushed and relaxed. The motor.
Warum ist sie so heil?
It's pretty, ne?
Die stinkt.
Ja, das stinkt nach Oil.
Ist mit Fußmotor oder mit?
Ja, der Fuß ist da. Aber ich muss das Kabel tauschen. Oh my god! This thing is broken, so I don't want to risk setting my house on fire.
Earthquake.
Never. Don't know what you're talking about. This thingy is broken. It holds the cables in place. This is halfway. This seems to be bolted in place. I need to find a way to break into this without breaking it. Time for some research, I think. Because I don't wish to be shocked again by a rogue sewing machine. I'm pissed. I want to make copper details on the tartar chamber, and then I bought copper foil. This is not foil. This is stupid paper with foil on top, and the color is very orangey. I am disappointed. And it wasn't cheap. The description said foil. For the sacrifice. Let's just hope I don't set this house on fire or shock myself again. Before I did something that I could not be undone, I googled about the motor, and I don't need to open it. There is a place where you should oil it, and it's just right there, and it's not making any crunchy noises, so there is no sand in the motor, which is good. All my cable cutters, because I hope at least one of them will work. This old computer cable, that was easy. So this is the thingy that says where should the cables go. I can see it, I don't understand what it means. This will be fun. I'm doing something I shouldn't. The second will come right here. And this screw here is not working at all. That's why I love vintage. The real ones. No motors, no electricity, no excuses. I'm gonna exchange this with another one. It's the same screw but from the outside because I think this is more important than hold the case holding. I don't have a cable stripper. We had a cable stripper. Where is the cable stripper? I can get her. She's dancing like a stripper. Why on earth? Why? 2 stripped cables. This is so complicated. Why? Glue here and make a flippity flip here like so. This is for me almost as bad as math. Breathe. Relax. Don't shake that much. Bitch, go in there. My hands are useless today. Okay. Touching. They're not. Should not be touching. Don't touch. Don't touch. Meow. And it doesn't sound crunchy anymore. Pedal. The moment of truth. Let's turn it on. Lamp work. Oh, the lamp works! It's Tink's knot motor. Thread her and put her to the test.
Why are you on the floor? Why are you not on your pillow? Oh no! Oh no, Shushu! Oh, bichinho!
That can't be comfortable.
Breaking my way back down, breaking back. Da 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 Shushu! Da 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 da! Shushu shoo! Da 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 da! Shoo 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 shoo!
The unnecessary sexual montage. The weirdest owl.
Just trying to figure out the setup. This is my beautiful lav mic. I think the sound will be very weird. I have to close the door. Look at me, all professional. This is the first project here downstairs. How crazy is that? It's insane. For you who don't know, Katie has twins, so I will make them something cute. Not really a fan of this not being in the middle. Anyways, not today, not today. Fnoile, an owl, open wings, looking kinda angry, with an open mouth, feet, and 2 giant ears. This is a mix between an owl and a fennec fox. All details will be embroidered, so there is no risk of the children eating what you're not supposed to. Scrap fabric, where are you? I think it will work out. The only thing that's good about buying online at the moment is the amount of packing paper they sent me. That now I will never ever again in my life need to buy pattern paper. body and the ears. What's a fennec fox ear look like? They have huge ears. Oh my god, I'm rusty. I don't know how to cut stuff anymore. I hope the machine is good in sewing curves. This is a very weird angle, but hi! It's time to embroider with the brother machine. I don't think that one will be able to help me embroider. Let's see. Apparently I didn't turn on the camera before, so I'm embroidering the belly.
The threading.
So let's thread her. There is a guide over here and there is a tension down here. Let's see how that will go. Oh, I did it wrong. I never know which direction it should go. It smells dreadful and I need to buy a new one.
4 hours later.
Nothing serious. Steve just wanted to talk shit about the neighbors. There is a guide on the needle and then the needle. I think this is made for cutting the thread when you're done. This thingy turns off the feed dogs. So actually this would be better for embroidering than my brother. And I was wrong. Let's try this out. Pull the thread from below. Oh, it came easy. More tension. First try didn't really work out. The tension is weird. The stitch is a little bit bigger. Oh, now it's too much tension. The tension is ridiculous. At least I managed to put the needle correctly. That was the thing that was carrying me the most. Tension of the bobbin. Quarter of a circle. What is happening? A little bit more tension upstairs. Very loose upstairs. Really better. What happens if I put all the way back? It backstitches. It backstitches. It backstitches. I love discovering the things about sewing machines. The mystery. It would be better if I read the instructions, but it feels like cheating. Ooh. Oh. I'm changing the tension on the bobbin and nothing is happening. I think the bobbin case is broken and it didn't change much when I pulled it, but let's see. Not 100%, but better.
Ew.
There's a fly on the wall. She wants to eat the fly on the wall.
Why?
This is going to end bad. Sushi, we can see all of your 6 chins. Yafli. Hello. Also sees. What is happening? There's nothing there. No!
The assembly.
So let's assemble tiny tail. It's kind of batching. Put the front and the back together. I put the tail upside down on the neck instead of the butt. Why? Just because I stitched everything never to come off again. The owl is supposed to be weird, but not that weird. Now front of the ear with the back of the ear. What the hell is this for a brand? I bought a generic one, but I didn't know that was that generic. Tension is still a little bit weird. It's not a problem that we cannot fix. So now let's stuff this and close it up. I need one of those Build-A-Bear stuffing machines. It has ears! And a tail. I seriously don't know what's going on in my head when I do this kind of things. So beautiful. We have 2 knoilers. Let's pack this and ship it to Sweden.
The sewing machine was there!
I know!
at those amazing eyes.
Let's blue. Let's send that video to Nanny.
For a second there, I thought you were like, no, don't eat your boogers. For a second there, I was like, let's send our eyeballs to Nanny. And I was like, well, what would she even do with them?
No, there was a bear. No storm of death.